Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I want to talk to you about two of our latest new product additions, the CCB-25 cable comb and the CCB-34 cable comb. These cable combs are perfect for organizing, straightening your cable bundle before you lash them or cable tie them. These tools feature the following. They are made of a rugged thermoplastic material with a low coefficient of friction, making the cable combing process much easier. The CCB-25 can hold up to 24 cables, 1/4 inch in diameter, and the CCB-34 holds up to 24 cables of 0.36 inch in diameter. These cable combs are easy to use. Simply separate the hub from the ring, load the cables into the various slots, place the ring over your cables, and pull. The cable comb can be easily removed at any point simply by separating the ring from the hub and taking the ring off of your cable bundle and simply removing the cables from the hub. Both of these tools come with our made-for-life lifetime warranty. Thank you for watching our video. Please take a moment, like, share, comment below, subscribe to our channel to see the latest videos from Jonard Tools.